Sex trafficking is basically searching because their goods are illegal goods, like groceries, Labina, and most of the time they look forward for those people dealing with very high time for people from different places. Normally, in Quiapo, we are Friday. So they select the day when people will come because these are the kids. Once they get out from the church, basically they're more than high. So that's all in the city and everything because of the station. So our legislation is making one of them. There are other instances where they even demand a higher price para ma-attract tao free yung una or lower price.
Ang mga paborito daw biktimahin ang nasa likod ng logos tulad nito.
One is the overall appearance of the person. Meron mga tao kumukha pa lang ito ang mga moto. Madali itong madali itong manipulahin. So parang nagtakalan yung prospect o gusto na. Kung yan na nasalita ko, hindi na nasifigurize kung pwede itong biktima. Hindi. Kasi kung medyo matigas sa salita mo, kasi wala pa lang, aturan, wala na lang bigil sila. Those people were definitely over themselves. Kasi they have companion, this is very interesting. Ayoko. Hindi companion by support. Pero di mo babae.
Narito ang mga tips upang huwag mabiktima ng ganitong turing logos.
Dapat siguro kung magpapalasal na bago ka sa lugar. At mas maganda siguro kung lagi mo isasara yung pamilya. Merong iba, dahil naman nila, hindi lang iaabot sa iyo sa iyo. If you are a devotee of certain patron faith, you bring your own. So that's really easily denied. Meron na ako hindi ko na kailangan yun.
Nakaba pala na